Nordpass versus 1Password. What's the best password managing tool? Let's find that out. Before I begin, I just want to say that you can find the links to both of these tools in the description below. Whichever one you like, you can go ahead and sign up by clicking the links in the description. We're going to compare its features, its pricings to 1Password and see what's the differences and which one provides you the most value for your money. We're going to be taking a look at Nordpassword. Over here, I'm on their website, nordpass.com, and we can see that they have two plans, the business plan and the personal plan. It works really well. If we are going to look at features, then over here we get the full features list, right? So in the personal plan, you get all these stuff. You get managed password, hassle-free passwords with a click, login automatically. You can import your old passwords within Nordpass. You can add the extension to your Chrome browser. You can sync passwords across all of your devices. You get a web vault as well, which offers the most features. You get to store your digital valuables as well, like taking notes, passwords, and many, many more. You can add your credit card details, emergency codes. You can secure your account with biometric as well, which is a plus because I don't think 1Password provides that. This was for the personal plan. You can store your payment method. You get all of the features from the personal plan. Keep your sensitive data, save personal and office files, and all of the good stuff as well. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the features for 1Password. You have three plans. You have the enterprise, the business, and starter pack provides you with the best value. You can add up to 10 users. You get tons and tons of different features. Unlimited password sharing, password storage, document storage per user. You get 1 GB, controls 24/7 email support, guest account for limited sharing. You don't get all of the other stuff. You do get all of that within 1Password business, cheaper. Very weird. I would give this to Nordpassword. They also provide a free plan as well. For 1Password, there is no free plan. Their personal and family plan, it's quite cheaper. As you can see, $2.99 for personal, $4.99 for family. In this one, you get different features as well. In this one, you get applications for Mac, Windows, Linux, and all of the other devices, even web browsers as well, Chrome, Safari, Edge, Firefox. You can create, autosave, autofill passwords. You get unlimited password items and 1 GB of document storage. You can share your passwords, credit cards, secure your notes, two-factor authentication, recently deleted passwords and previous versions of password, 24/7 email support. And in the family plan, you get all of this. You get up to 5 family members, any household. And in the family plan, you get all of these features. You can share with 5 family members, and from any household, invite more for $1 each. Manage what family members can see and do. So in terms of value wise, it depends on you and how you look at it. If you want it for yourself, then it's $2.99. Nordpassword is free as well. Should you want to upgrade it, you can. The premium plan or the personal plan, it's going to cost you $149 per month. This is a 2-year plan. It all depends on you, and they also give you a 30-day money back guarantee as well should you choose to upgrade your account. So depends on you. They give you a free plan, but if you want to upgrade it, it's going to cost you $4.99, and 1Password, it's going to cost you $2.99 for the personal plan. Take a look at the application. So this is the application from 1Password. Very simple. And you get all of your options right here. You can add vaults, and in these vaults, you can store your data. You can add your vault name, add a description for what it does, movies and stuff. Create, and it's going to create a vault for you. And within it, you can save your passwords as well. So to add a new password, just simply hit Control plus Enter. If you're using Mac, it's going to be Command plus N. Then just simply add in what type of password you're looking for. If you want logins, passwords, credit card, identity, secure notes, bank account, crypto wallet. Let's say we're adding a password. You could go with, say, Netflix. Over here is going to be the title. We'll go with Netflix. Here you can add your email address and then just simply enter in your password. It can be random, and then just simply click on save. Here you can add more stuff to it. You have your favorites, all items, Watchtower as well. Watchtower is basically searching for password on the internet if there is a threat or not. Although in terms of usability wise, logging into Nordpass is difficult as well, because since it's so secure, you gotta input your password, then they give you a master key. It just takes a little bit more time, whereas 1Password is very simple, very straightforward. They also give you a master key as well, which you can save on your device, which I think is, you don't have to worry about it. Even if you lose it, you can back it up as well. Make sure you keep your 1Password key that they give you safe and securely. Same goes with Nord as well. In my opinion, a really good application if you are going for, as I said before, usability and bang for your buck. I would say Nord gives you a pretty decent value since they have a free plan. It's secure, and they come from a very popular company called Nord Security, which is also, you have NordVPN. It all depends on you. Just my opinion. Do let me know which one you think is better in the comments.